Welcome back, everybody, to Workout Ideas. So today I'm gonna do something special, something y'all can work out to along with me. So sit tight, enjoy it for a ride. My name is Jawan Smalls, by the way. I am a certified personal trainer for the American Council of Exercise. I've been certified for over 5, 6 years now. It's been fun, it's been a journey, of course, especially with everything that's going on. So we're about to have some fun tonight. Hope you enjoy this workout. It's a time-based workout. We'll probably do 35 seconds of work, 10 to 20 seconds of rest, and I'll introduce the workout possibly in between those sets so you can be prepared to be ready to do that next movement. So yeah, just come on, let's do the journey. Let's get it. Okay, I made a mistake. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds rest so that way I can explain the workout just a little bit before we go into the next movement. So this entire workout will be done with 4 different rounds of 4 different exercises. So total, and we're gonna do 2 rounds and 2 entire total rounds of it. So that'll give you about 9 to 10 minutes of actual exercise. So it's almost like HIIT training. Good for fat burning, good for muscle toning and building. I'm gonna try to get some modified versions inside the workout as best I can. If I can't, you can modify it the best way you know how. That's the whole purpose. Work at your pace and how you're able to do it. You may not be doing it like I am, but as long as you're getting the work done and getting up and moving. That's the first and vital point, getting up and moving. So let's go ahead and hop into this workout. You will hear the timer and go off so that way you know when to stop and rest. So let's go. All right, so our first movement will be narrow squats to sumo squats. So what I'm gonna do here for me is my style, since I'm used to this, is here, and I'm just gonna hop into the sumo squat. For you, if you're not used to this, you just squat, walk it out, squat. How's it sound? Should look easy, so don't forget that. Squat, walk it out, and squat. Let's go. Make sure you're breathing. Get some good work out of this. You may hear me start breathing hard and talking less. It's just tough workout. It's the whole point of it. Don't want it to be easy or too easy when it's workout. So yep, like I said, there you go. So you walk out and rest. So during rest period, you want you to keep on moving. Don't stand around, sit down, so I'll get you some water. So make sure you have some water while you're at it. So our next movement is a back lunge with the knee raise. So step back into it. Step back into it. Step back into it. Step back into it. Mine will look like this. So let's go. Good leg workout. You can incorporate some abs. Make sure you're breathing. Avoiding your breath is not a good key. Every style work. Rest. Next movement. We're here. Slight bend at the knees and hips. Side. Punch. Punch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. You get it? If you need to modify it, stand straight up, slight bend at the knees. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Same person. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rest. Whew. Y'all feel that? My heart rate's up. I'm really heavy. This one is going to be the killer. Like I said, we've been focusing on the legs a lot. Leg focus, because it's like the bigger muscle in the body. Get a good bit of fat burning, especially when you go that we're using the cardio aspect plus muscle building form of high intensity interval training. So, that's going on. So, squat jumps. Pretty much what it is. Squat jumps. If you can't jump, here. On the toes, just on toes off. I can jump, so I'm jumping. Let's get it. Come on. I ran and I forgot to show you how to work out. It's all right. We got another set of this. Like I said, modify on the toes. Can't go on your toes all the way, just quick. There you go. All right, we're moving into our second round. Take a little bit longer break this time. You can pause the video right here if you like. Catch your breath. Take your time to recuperate. Don't do it too long. You want to keep that heart rate steady and going. How you burn fat, how you build endurance and stamina. Sometimes how you build muscle. Shorter rest, increase the workout. What's that first one? Let's go. There you go. Yeah. Make sure you're in a neutral spot. Pretty much keeping your back straight, not leaning too far forward or too far back. So this side and two side. Yeah. Work. 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 So yeah, here we go. Rest. It's burning. It's burning. If you don't remember what we do next, remember, back lunge, yeah, back lunge, yeah. Yeah. Back lunge to the raise. You see I keep steadily moving in between. Not too much. Just control my breathing and get focused for the next set. So you ready? 3 seconds. 2, 1, let's go. Come on. Work it. Work it. Work it. Work it. Yeah, beat it. Work it. Let's do this. Work it. Work it. Work it. Remember, you can do these at your own pace. Don't try to keep up with me. I'm at an advanced level. This workout is also for me too, because there's a lot of stuff that I want to do. And I work here in the gym. Inside my garage. So we're breaking. We break. Remember the next exercise. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Modify it how you like. Don't try to be like me. Work your way up to be at the advanced level. You know start where I started? Let's get it. Everybody start somewhere. Let's go. Yeah. I feel that. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rest. Yeah, bro, I'm trying to make it breathe heavy. That's saying it works. This ain't for show. This is real life right now. Yes, it's supposed to. I'm supposed to be out of breath. That's how it's supposed to be. What? Criticize me. Criticize me. Now remember, squat jumps. That's next. Remember, you can't do it. Try to go as quick as possible. Let's go. Boom. Explode. Off that floor. Hands on the balls of your feet. Don't land on your heels. Worst thing we try to do is land on the heel. Sends all the shock waves up your knees, back, balls to the feet. Something like a cat. There. How do you look from the side? Yeah. Yeah, I tell you, you're gonna get tired. That's what I'm gonna let you do. 2 rounds. And in 9 to 10 minutes, you get a great workout. If you survive, you survived. If you didn't survive, try it again and again. Till you get there, till you're able to survive all rounds. Yeah, I'm breathing heavy. I'm supposed to breathe heavy. Once again, I'm supposed to breathe heavy. If not, I'm not working. See you next time.